Hello everyone. Welcome to day 4 of your English learning journey. Today we will learn how to use numbers, how to tell the time, and how to talk about dates in English. This lesson is very important because numbers, time, and dates are part of daily life. We use them when we buy things, when we meet people, when we talk about our birthday, or when we check the clock. So today you will practice many useful sentences. Repeat with me and speak out loud. Let's begin with numbers. Numbers are everywhere. We use them for money, phone numbers, addresses, age, and many other things. First, let's practice numbers from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's practice together slowly. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Now let's go higher. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now practice some examples. 21, 35, 49, 56, 63, 77, 88, 99, 100. Now some sentences. Repeat with me. I am 25 years old. The book costs $40. My father is 52 years old. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. She has 99 problems. We have 100 students in the class. Excellent. Now let's practice big numbers. 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Examples. My city has 1 million people. The company earned $2,000. The car costs $10,000. Now let's use numbers in real-life sentences. What is your phone number? My phone number is 032456789. What is your house number? My house number is 22. How old are you? I am 30 years old. Now let's talk about time. We use time every day when we make plans. We need time when we go to work, when we meet friends, or when we take a bus. First, let's practice how to say the hours. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Good. Now let's add minutes. 1:15, 2:30, 3:45, 4:10, 5:20, 6:50. In English we can also say quarter past, half past, and quarter to. For example, 3:15 is quarter past 3. 3:30 is half past 3. 3:45 is quarter to 4. Now some practice sentences. Repeat after me. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. The train leaves at 5:30. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. She goes to school at 8:15. We eat lunch at 1 o'clock. He finishes work at 6 o'clock. Let's meet at 4:15. The movie starts at 9:30. I go to bed at 10:30. Now let's practice using morning, afternoon, evening, and night. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I eat lunch at 1 in the afternoon. I go for a walk at 6 in the evening. I sleep at 11 at night. Now repeat full sentences. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 in the morning. What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. What time do you go to work? I go to work at 9 o'clock. What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 8 in the evening. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 11 o'clock at night. Now let's learn how to say dates. Dates are used for birthdays, holidays, meetings, and history. First, let's practice days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now sentences. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. I go to school from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Now let's practice months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now sentences. My birthday is in March. School starts in September. Christmas is in December. We travel in July. Now let's learn how to say dates with numbers. For example, January 1st, February 2nd, March 3rd, April 4th, May 5th. Now repeat with me. The 1st of January, the 2nd of February, the 3rd of March, the 4th of April, the 5th of May. Now some example sentences. My birthday is on the 10th of June. Independence Day is on the 4th of July. Today is the 15th of September. The meeting is on the 22nd of October. Christmas is on the 25th of December. Now let's combine days and dates. Today is Monday, the 10th of April. Tomorrow is Tuesday, the 11th of April. Yesterday was Sunday, the 9th of April. Now practice questions. What day is it today? Today is Friday. What is the date today? Today is the 20th of March. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 5th of July. What is the date tomorrow? Tomorrow is the 21st of March. Now let's review everything together. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 1000, 1,000,000. Sentences. I am 20 years old. The book costs $10. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Time. It is 1 o'clock. It is 3:30. The train leaves at 5:45. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I sleep at 10 at night. Dates. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. My birthday is in March. Christmas is in December. Today is the 12th of April. Now practice with me in conversation style. A. What time is it? B. It is 9 o'clock. A. What is today? B. Today is Wednesday. A. What is the date today? B. Today is the 10th of May. A. When is your birthday? B. My birthday is on the 2nd of August. A. How old are you? B. I am 25 years old. A. What time do you eat dinner? B. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock in the evening. A. What time do you go to bed? B. I go to bed at 11 o'clock at night. A. What time do you wake up? B. I wake up at 6 in the morning. Great work today. You have learned numbers, time, and dates in English. These are basic tools for daily life. Practice them every day. Ask yourself the time. Say the date out loud. Count numbers around you. The more you practice, the faster you will learn. This was day 4 of your English challenge. See you in the next lesson.